Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how I created my AI chart assistant who read my backend data. Okay, and also help me to give me correct or real-time information and insights about my product catalog tables. Okay, so this I have done using AWS, SQL, and AI agents. Okay, how this will give me the forecasting data and AI agent using AI agent. Okay, I am just showing you one demo here. Test iterate. So this is my dummy website. So now in this web page, whenever I just fill any information, it will give me exactly uh, about my product catalog. So let me show you one demo. Now currently, if you observe in this one, if I say give me the list of products. Okay, so now this will give you the answer no result found, or if I click on hi, this will give me the credit this option list. But if you see, then I don't have any product, right? So what will happen right now? So let's say add one more product in this one. Let's say XYZ. Okay, and let's say select category. I am just selecting mobile category and just giving you one answer. XYZ is a very good product. Okay, and also let's just add the full specifications. Uh, uh, this product has a 2 year warranty and really good to use. Okay, and I'm just putting the price. Let's say I'm putting 450, and here stock is, let's say I have 23 stock. Remember this information, and my brand name is also XYZ brand. And gaming, it's a mobiling, so I'm just putting the tag. So this is my product admin panel. Whenever I just click on this form submission button, it will store the data in my backend, store the data in backend SQL table, which is the product table, and this I have hosted in AWS SQL service using some Lambda and PostgreSQL and EC2 instance kind of thing. Yeah, so just let me click on submit. Now if you remember, my product name is XYZ. Now let's come to this AI chat agent. Now I want to know in my company or in my product catalog how many table I have. So let's speak with this AI agent. Okay, let me just give you some option inside under this AI agent. So when I click on product inside, it is giving me the total product. So now let's say how many total product we have. Oh, we have one product, and I'm telling you just give me the uh, okay. So now you can see, and also need price of XYZ product with stocks. Okay, let's see what exactly answer. Oh, you can see it is giving me all the present. If I say go back to home tab, now let's say again I'm just coming on this page, and if I want to see the category analysis top categories, so whatever information you will feed into your product table, this will read the data, and accordingly this will give you a a better option. And if I tell that give me what is the specialty of XYZ products. So now let's see how AI agent works. You can see. So this AI agent has dynamically reading the data from your backend table and accordingly giving the meaningful insight that where is the lack of what exactly happening with your product data, what would be the result of that product stocks, and how this performing. So currently what is happening, okay, this tool is basically very helpful for those person who want to utilize the data in meaningful way and want to get some meaningful insight, and using that insight can take better and accurate decision. Okay, so now basically uh, so this video, so we all know that AI can answer your question, but making it understand your business data is tricky. How do we make it smart enough to answer from our catalog of product or services? Okay, so that this tool is made very easy. So now this solution connect AI to structure backend catalog. Every product category and detail is stored in your database, and that and according to that, artificial intelligence is giving the real time accurate answer. So like we saw right now, right? This one stock alert. Let's say low stock, so no result. Okay, and high stocks, you can see this is my high stocks. So this way you can find meaningful insights. So just let me know if you want to just connect with me regarding this thing, and accordingly we can discuss on the result. If you want to connect with me, you can just ping me on or just mail me on this mail ID. So if you want to create these types of artificial intelligence product or AI based insight you need based on your data, and automatically it will create your data pipeline and accordingly will give you the result based on that data. If you want to create those kind of automations, so you can just ping me on this one. I will definitely help you because I am the freelancer. Obviously, I will charge some basic amount, but you know, right? Because I am also giving my time and effort, so that's why. So if you want to create this types of system where whenever you just enter the data or you want to read your database and accordingly want the meaningful insights of your data, then you just ping me or just mail me on this number, or sorry, this mail ID. uh, so that's all.